Like 4 feet.
Dude, I'm gonna be all the way under.
Yep.
Drop off.
Good luck. Yes, you get in. Good night and good luck. I don't see it. Oh God. Muskie.
Shut up. I'm really sorry about that.
You should make him clean the seaweed off of it too. No, he pushed it in and then he had to go in and get it.